What do you do when you got to put your car into storage for a while, especially when you are forced to use ethanol gas, which goes bad over time? Well, you got to use some kind of stabilizer. And I use this stuff here, Sta-bil. I'm going to show you how to use it because I found it confusing myself. And so I'm going to just show you how to get it in there. So this is what it is. It says to use 1 ounce, which would be up to here, per 2.5 gallons. So I got about 10 gallons in the tank there, which means I need 4 ounces of this. So that's going to give me, with this bottle being 8 ounces, about 2 uses. So I'm going to store this for the season, and all you got to do is just press this. You have to squeeze the bottle, and then you will see it raise up to the top like that. Then I fill it till it gets up to 1/2 ounce like that. So I'm just squeezing it. And that's what I didn't understand in the beginning. I was like trying to, you know, maneuver it to get it in there, but you gotta squeeze it upright like that. And then you just pour it here into your gas tank just like that. Stick that nose in there, tip it just like that, and then it will empty in there. And the reason they do it like that is just so that you don't put like extra in there. So it just goes, whatever's in this reservoir goes into your gas tank. So, and that should help. I've been using this now for 6 years. Each time I put the car away, and it started up every time, no problem. The second thing I do is I put a battery tender on it, and that keeps the battery up to a full charge, and then you're good to go. Hope you liked this video, and if it helped you, hit that like button, consider subscribing to this do-it-yourself channel.